it is, family? What time is it? Oh, we're supposed to get kicked off the stage already, yeah? Okay, well, is it okay if we bring back our beautiful hello? Na puala ikauika you, under the direction of Kumuhula Salioza. We're gonna have our ladies come out and join us. Now these ladies are gonna do a song that was penned by a man named Rocha. So he kind of went through what a lot of our island youth go through. They graduate from high school and they think to themselves, oh man, this island is too small for me. I need to go and see the big world. So he did just that. He went out, he experienced life on other continents, in other countries. And amazingly enough, while he was away, and while he had some incredible adventures, he realized that his heart was right here in Hawaii. And upon coming home, he penned this particular song. Unfortunately, he had detached himself from his Hawaiian culture and his language. And so when he wrote these words down, it was in English. But it was so important to him to make sure that this song was sung in his mother tongue. And so he passed this song onto his auntie Alice Nāmakelua and asked her to please put this song in Hawaiian language so that it would only be sung in the Hawaiian language. And essentially it says, I went away, I saw the world, but I realized that home is where my heart is. Because now I understand, ke maupopo, I am Hawaiian, he Hawaiʻi Au.
Ladies and gentlemen, one time, please, a big round of applause for Waiho'olu'u O Ke A, nuenue. Kona! And of course, Kumu Sally and her beautiful halau out here. You guys want to hear one more? Hana ho!